Another misconception a lot of people have is they think if you don't have 4 million subscribers and 26 billion views, you're not going to make any money on YouTube. That's not the case at all, guys. You might take 100 views, you might take 50 views on a video and make $10,000. Say you're a realtor showing houses and you make a sale. That's all it's going to take is that one video, that one view to make that money. And you can also, if you get into the affiliate marketing side of it, you can add affiliate links in your descriptions, and everybody that watches your videos, you refer them to those links, and then they buy whatever it is that you're talking about in the video, and you make money that way. So don't think it just all the only way you can earn any type of passive income on YouTube is just through views. Yes, that's where the big bucks are most of the time is the views like that. But you can earn a substantial amount of money without having a big huge following on YouTube. So keep that in mind when you're doing your channel. You know, you need to take a look and see what it is you need to do. If you're affiliate marketing, then you need to include those links in your descriptions always. If you do some type of review of a technical piece or a phone or something, add that link at the in the description for people to buy it from. You'll be amazed how many people would use your link just to be able to jump on it right there and buy it right there and not have to search for it. It's already found right there at the description for them. It makes it so much easier for them to buy it from you. So that's one way. Sponsorships is another way. You get people to notice your channel, and they'll want you to maybe post about a certain topic or send you an item to review or even pay you to review an item. There's many different ways to make money on YouTube without having to have lots of views. So don't think that's the only way.